Unlock your brain's potential. 9 veggies that fight dementia. Are you worried about memory loss as you age? Discover the delicious and powerful vegetables that can help protect your brain and keep your mind sharp for years to come. Dementia is a growing concern, affecting millions worldwide. It steals memories, impairs cognitive function, and diminishes the quality of life for seniors. While there's no magic bullet, research reveals a powerful ally: vegetables. Certain vegetables are packed with nutrients that can significantly lower your risk of dementia by boosting brain health, reducing inflammation, and shielding precious neurons from damage. This isn't just about adding greens to your plate. It's about strategically choosing the right vegetables to fuel your brain power. We're here to guide you through the top 9 vegetables that can help prevent dementia, empowering you to take control of your cognitive health. Get ready to nourish your mind and unlock your brain's full potential. Leafy greens are the unsung heroes of brain health. Think of them as the brain's personal bodyguards, packed with essential nutrients that keep it functioning at its best. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with folate, vitamin K, and potent antioxidants. These nutrients work synergistically to slow cognitive decline and protect against age-related memory loss. Studies have shown that people who make leafy greens a daily habit experience better memory retention as they age. The high levels of lutein and beta-carotene in these greens act as shields, supporting brain function and defending against oxidative stress, a major contributor to cognitive decline. White heavy checkmark how to eat. Spinach smoothie boost. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed start to your day. You won't even taste it. Kale and garlic stir-fry. Sauté kale with garlic and a touch of olive oil for a simple, flavorful side dish. Collard greens in soups and stews. Toss chopped collard greens into your favorite soups or stews for added nutrients and a hearty texture. Broccoli isn't just for kids. It's a superfood for your brain. This cruciferous vegetable contains sulforaphane, a powerful compound with neuroprotective effects. Sulforaphane acts like a shield, protecting your brain cells from damage and promoting overall brain health. Broccoli is also rich in choline and vitamin K, 2 essential nutrients that play a crucial role in boosting memory and enhancing brain function. Furthermore, broccoli helps fight inflammation and remove toxins that can contribute to the development of brain diseases. White heavy checkmark how to eat. Steamed broccoli with olive oil. Steam broccoli until tender crisp and drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of sea salt for a simple and healthy side dish. Broccoli in omelets or stir-fries. Add chopped broccoli to your morning omelet or your favorite stir-fry for added nutrients and texture. Creamy broccoli soup. Blend steamed broccoli into a creamy soup for a comforting and nutritious meal. Don't let their small size fool you. Brussels sprouts are packed with brain-boosting power. These miniature cabbages are a great source of glucosinolates, compounds that protect brain cells from oxidative damage. Oxidative damage is like rust for your brain, and glucosinolates help prevent it. Brussels sprouts are also high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which further reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. They support detoxification processes in the body and help reduce inflammation, both of which are crucial for maintaining optimal brain health. White heavy checkmark how to eat. Roasted Brussels sprouts with olive oil and garlic. Roast Brussels sprouts with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of balsamic vinegar for a delicious and healthy side dish. Shredded Brussels sprouts in salads. Shred Brussels sprouts and add them to your favorite salads for a crunchy and nutritious boost. Brussels sprouts stir-fry with balsamic glaze. Stir-fry Brussels sprouts with a balsamic glaze for a sweet and savory dish. Bell peppers aren't just colorful additions to your plate. They're also packed with nutrients that support brain health. Red, yellow, and orange bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for maintaining optimal brain function. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Bell peppers are also high in carotenoids, which protect against oxidative stress and help maintain healthy blood flow to the brain. Good blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain cells, keeping them functioning at their best. White heavy checkmark how to eat. Raw bell pepper slices with hummus. Slice bell peppers into strips and enjoy them as a healthy snack with hummus. Roasted bell peppers in sandwiches or wraps. Roast bell peppers and add them to your favorite sandwiches or wraps for added flavor and nutrients. Bell pepper stir-fry with lean protein. Stir-fry bell peppers with lean protein, like chicken or tofu, for a complete and healthy meal. Carrots are more than just a rabbit's favorite snack. They're a valuable addition to a brain-healthy diet. These root vegetables contain beta-carotene, an antioxidant that supports brain function and reduces oxidative stress. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and cognitive function. Studies suggest that carrots may help lower levels of brain plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease. They also improve memory and cognitive processing speed, helping you stay sharp and focused. Why'd have you check mark how to eat? Raw carrots as a crunchy snack. Enjoy raw carrots as a crunchy and satisfying snack. Roasted carrots with honey and spices. Roast carrots with honey and spices for a sweet and savory side dish. Carrot smoothies or soups. Blend carrots into smoothies or soups for added nutrients and a creamy texture. Tomatoes are a staple in many cuisines, and they also offer significant benefits for brain health. These juicy fruits are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from damage. Lycopene acts as a shield, preventing free radical damage that can lead to cognitive decline. Tomatoes also improve blood circulation to the brain, ensuring that your brain cells receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. Why'd have you check mark how to eat? Fresh tomato slices in salads or sandwiches. Slice fresh tomatoes and add them to your favorite salads or sandwiches. Homemade tomato sauce for pasta. Make a homemade tomato sauce for pasta using fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. Roasted tomatoes with olive oil and garlic. Roast tomatoes with olive oil and garlic for a flavorful and healthy side dish. Asparagus is a delicious and nutritious vegetable that offers several benefits for brain health. It's high in folate, a B vitamin that supports cognitive function and reduces brain inflammation. Folate is essential for the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between brain cells. Asparagus is also a natural prebiotic, meaning it helps promote gut health. A healthy gut is linked to a healthy brain, as the gut microbiome plays a role in regulating brain function. Asparagus also protects brain cells from toxic buildup, helping to keep your brain clean and functioning at its best. Why'd have you check mark how to eat? Grilled asparagus with olive oil and lemon. Grill asparagus with olive oil and lemon for a simple and flavorful side dish. Asparagus and scrambled eggs. Add chopped asparagus to your scrambled eggs for added nutrients and texture. Creamy asparagus soup. Blend steamed asparagus into a creamy soup for a comforting and nutritious meal. Beets are a vibrant and earthy vegetable that offers unique benefits for brain health. They're rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow to the brain. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. By supporting circulation, beets help reduce the risk of vascular dementia, a type of dementia caused by reduced blood flow to the brain. Beets also boost cognitive function and mental clarity, helping you stay sharp and focused. Why'd have you check mark how to eat? Roasted beets in salads. Roast beets and add them to your favorite salads for a sweet and earthy flavor. Beet smoothies with ginger and lemon. Make beet smoothies with ginger and lemon for a refreshing and nutritious drink. Steamed beets in dips. Steam beets and blend them into dips for a vibrant and healthy snack. Mushrooms are a unique and versatile food that offers several benefits for brain health. Lion's mane mushroom contains compounds that stimulate nerve growth and improve memory. These compounds help promote the growth of new brain cells and strengthen existing connections. Shiitake mushrooms contain anti-inflammatory properties that protect brain cells from damage. They're also rich in ergothioneine, an antioxidant that reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Why'd have you check mark how to eat? Sautéed mushrooms with garlic and herbs. Sauté mushrooms with garlic and herbs for a simple and flavorful side dish. Mushrooms in soups or stews. Add mushrooms to your favorite soups or stews for added nutrients and flavor. Mushrooms in stir-fries or pasta dishes. Mix mushrooms into stir-fries or pasta dishes for a healthy and delicious meal. Eating the right vegetables is a powerful way to protect your brain, enhance memory, and reduce the risk of dementia as you age. Incorporating these nutrient-packed vegetables into your daily meals can make a significant difference in keeping your mind sharp and vibrant. Now it's your turn to take action. Which of these brain-boosting vegetables are you already enjoying? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your favorite recipes and tips for incorporating these vegetables into your diet. Lightbulb, don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health and nutrition tips. Together, we can empower ourselves and our communities to live healthier, happier, and more cognitively vibrant lives. Rocket!